Hi, and welcome to the third and final lesson in the Introduction to Postcard Marketing video course. I hope you are learning a lot from this little video course and that you have some great ideas in mind for starting your own successful campaign. If you have been doing your homework, you should already have a good idea of what you want to accomplish with your postcard marketing campaign, plus a list of postcard printing companies that suit your needs. Now, in this particular third lesson, we're going to talk about how to boost the effectiveness of your postcard marketing campaign. We're going to go over some helpful techniques and tips that will show you how to get the most return on your investment. Let's start out by talking about using incentives in your marketing message. Just like any other form of advertising, using incentives will greatly help entice your postcard recipients to take further action. You want to make sure and give them a reason to call, visit, or return your reply and survey cards. And you can achieve this goal by offering them discounts, gifts, or free information if they take the time to respond to your postcard. Offering incentives will go a long way towards increasing your response rate. Now, if you want your recipients to fill out certain information on your postcard and return it to you, it is important that you include a prepaid return postage on the back of your postcard. Keep in mind that your response rate will suffer greatly if you expect them to pay for postage, and it will also take longer for them to take action, which means the chance that they will actually mail the card back to you decreases. So you will also want to be sure and leave plenty of space for your recipients to fill in their names, their addresses, and any other additional information that you require. So believe it or not, many recipients judge postcards based on the quality of paper that they are printed on. So you definitely want to pay particular attention to the kind of paper you choose before printing your postcards. Keep in mind that color matters when it comes to getting noticed. For example, bright colors easily stand out from the rest of the mail. So if using them fits well with your message, then it may be good of a choice for your campaign. Low quality, inferior, or unattractive paper is never a great idea and will most likely result in your postcard getting tossed into the trash without being read. People do judge a book by its cover, unfortunately, but that's the case. So you definitely need to make sure the paper is of good quality. Photo postcards are another good option. They're very good at attracting the immediate attention of your prospect and sometimes hold the extra benefit of being kept and even shared depending on your message. Now, when choosing the paper for your postcard, just use your best judgment and think about what catches your eye when you sort through your mail. And you will also want to pay close attention to the layout of your marketing message. Don't give into the temptation of trying to squeeze too much information on the small space that your postcard has to offer. A lot of people, if there's too much to read, a lot of people will just toss it out because to them, time is money and time is valuable. So you want it to be easily read. Use your white space so that they feel like, okay, this should be quick to read and should save me time. And remember to keep it simple and straightforward and to the point. You'll get a much better response rate if you do. Most of all, it is important to include a good call to action. You want to make sure that your message on your postcard is clear, especially when it comes to telling your prospect exactly what you want to do. Remember from lesson 1, a postcard with the right purpose will get your point across quickly and provide only the most important information that you want to convey to your potential customers. So choose your words carefully and be persuasive. Now, although I have done my best to touch on the basics in this short introduction to postcard marketing, there is a lot for you to learn if you want to run a widely successful campaign, and it's important that you do your research. Seek out help and suggestions from professionals and other people that are already running successful campaigns. I also want you to keep in mind that even though there are many methods out there that can be applied to postcard marketing, there is only one way to truly know if they work, and that is trying them out for yourself and testing, of course. Thank you again for joining me for this short course, and I wish you the best of luck in all of your postcard marketing campaigns.